You've learned in school how our Earth is filled with incredible wildlife and thriving ecosystems. Now, you're invited to see these incredible wonders of nature with your own eyes. Your days will be packed from morning to night. There's so much to discover on a Florida adventure. Explore unique habitats in a thrilling and adventurous way.
I like to see the expression on their face when they may look into the eyeball of an alligator. We'd want to give them an idea of what the Everglades is all about. Maybe demystify the Everglades, just a place of refuge, a place of respite, and maybe they can come back and hopefully bring their family someday.
You and your friends will create your own memories to share for years to come.
We're gonna go snorkeling.
Snorkeling, it's fun.
It's fun.
This is not your ordinary science lesson.
We snorkeled and we went to the shipwreck. We saw a lot of the cannons and everything and the anchors. It was cool because I haven't seen one before underwater.
We're at Dolphin Cove and we're gonna go swimming with dolphins.
Discoveries come alive before your eyes.
I'm really excited to go swimming with dolphins because it's a really fun opportunity and not many people get to do this, and they're dolphins.
I like swimming with the dolphins the best. You could pet their bellies. It was just really fun. I know it's a one-in-a-lifetime experience, so I really enjoyed it.
Swimming with the dolphins was just amazing. It was so fun. I felt like I was in another world. They were just so pretty, and that's my dream. I've always wanted to swim with dolphins. This finally came true.
The dolphins did Superman with us.
I don't think we're gonna run me with that.
It was really fun. Super exciting.
I'm looking forward to going to the turtle hospital because I really love turtles, and I think it's interesting.
So you get to see all the injured turtles and how they'll fix them and send them back out in the ocean again.
We went kayaking through the mangroves. It's really cool to see the clear water and see what's inside of it, all the fish and jellyfish. When you go through, there's kind of like a street but full of trees. It's really cool.
We just dissected a squid and we took out its pen and wrote with its ink.
Reach out, touch, and experience science like never before.
We are going to be collecting animals today. You are to be gentle when you collect them.
Your trip will be led by your own course leader to share fun facts and answer all your questions along the way.
It's more realistic, you're gonna find something that you may not expect to find. You may just find a seahorse or a crab and you've never seen it before, and it's pretty cool.
Whether seeing incredible sights, eating at amazing restaurants, or hanging out at your hotel, you'll have lots of time to have fun with your friends. When you and your friends join us for a Florida adventure, you'll discover science come alive on a travel adventure you'll never forget.
This is probably the coolest way to learn that you could possibly have. I mean, you get to do everything hands-on, and I honestly learned better like this.
You get to do lots of things that you wouldn't be able to do if you just went with your parents. So being here is like a once-in-a-lifetime experience.